Although a militant culture, there was also room for diplomacy. For instance, there were great intertribal gatherings known as hustings. They took place when the moon was neither new nor full, and the attendants would speak in order of rank and importance. A person's prestige and right to speak was determined by battles won, birthright, age, and overall power. The hustings was very much like the current House of Commons in the UK. The crowds would groan if they disapproved, and bash their shields if they liked what they were hearing. New federations, alliances, and disputes of all manner were negotiated without any blood loss. Pagan priests also attended to keep the peace and had the authority to force compliance. Hustings solved not only intertribal disputes but also domestic tribal governance. Only chiefs and kings debated minor matters, but everybody debated matters that affected the tribe as a whole. Although restless and disorganised, this isn't necessarily a bad thing for the democratic process, as being over-bureaucratic, for instance the debates happening in Rome, could stifle voices. Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.